Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. To identify compounds that are both an aldehyde and an ether, we need to find structures containing 1. An aldehyde functional group, ChO, a carbonyl carbon bonded to at least one hydrogen, and 2. An ether functional group, COC linkage, oxygen bonded to 2 carbon atoms, not part of a carbonyl. Analysis of each structure. I. This structure shows a carbon chain with an ether linkage, COC, specifically ethyl ether, and a CH is equal to O aldehyde group hanging off the branched carbon. It contains both an ether oxygen, COC, and an aldehyde, ChO. Therefore, I qualifies. 2. This structure shows a linear chain with a ketone, C is equal to O in the middle, flanked by 2 carbons, and an ether oxygen at one end. The carbonyl is a ketone, not an aldehyde, no H on the carbonyl carbon. So, 2. Does not qualify as an aldehyde. 3. This appears to be a simple molecule showing only an epoxide or a carbonyl group with no aldehyde functionality and possibly just an epoxide, cyclic ether. There is no aldehyde group visible. So, 3. Does not qualify. 4. This structure shows a 4-membered ring containing an oxygen, oxetane is equal to cyclic ether, COC linkage, and an aldehyde group, ChO, shown with the C is equal to O and H explicitly. It contains both an ether, the oxetane ring oxygen, and an aldehyde, ChO. Therefore, 4 qualifies. This structure shows a terminal aldehyde on one end and an ester group, C, is equal to O, OCH3, on the other end. An ester is not an ether. The oxygen is adjacent to a carbonyl. The OCH3 in an ester context does not count as a simple ether. So, does not qualify as containing an ether functional group in the classic sense. Thus, only I and 4 contain both an aldehyde and an ether functional group. Why other options fail? A. I only misses 4, which also has both groups. C. 2 and V. 2 has a ketone not aldehyde, V has an ester not a simple ether. D. 3 and 4, 3 lacks an aldehyde group. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.